Am I supposed to video you?
The crocodile attempts to spin while moving to a death roll, violently corkscrewing its body in the water. A maneuver intended to drown or dismember its victim. But the animal loses its grip, only to lunge again.
When I saw the animal coming in for the second attack, he came straight for my head.
The crocodile's jaws close with 1,300 kilograms of force. One bite to roll his head and easily crush his skull. Instinctively, the desperate man strikes out at the reptile.
Yo le di la mano para evitar la acción de cabrón. I stuck my hand in his mouth to block the attack with my head. He bit my arm, sticking a tooth, and then he grabbed my heel, sticking in his teeth, making me bruise. Él salió para intentar salir, pero he shook me, maybe to try to kill me.